5 Psychological Tips to Attract Women. Ever tried some easy psychological tips to attract women? It has a lot to do with your personality, confidence, and understanding a woman's psyche, the correct way for her to be completely attracted to you. We have compiled a list of 5 psychological hacks on how to impress a girl. 1. Have an open body language. It is a well-known fact that women are attracted to men's body language and their confidence. It's essentially a magnet. Keep your body language open. This means that you should not be closed off or slouch when standing. Stand tall and open with a wide stance. You will instantly attract her. 2. Similarity attracts. There's an effect in both psychology and sociology. We like people who are similar to us. It means you're more likely to enjoy spending time with someone who also likes similar things than one who would rather spend their time doing something you have never heard of. You can use this to your advantage. The trick is to listen to her and carefully highlight the things that you have in common. Does she say she likes music? Let her know your song. To get the girl to like you, do some research beforehand, find out what she likes, and check them. Studies have proven that this effect works on things like favorite colors to attitudes, to movies choice. We think this is because if they are more like us, they are more predictable, and from a psychological perspective, our brains think they are safe people. 3. Give her a sincere compliment. A compliment that is genuine and sincere can make a girl feel special. Consider what you love most about her. You could love her smile, laugh, or intelligence. There is a limit to complimenting. She should not be complimented on her physical features, except her smile and eyes. Keep it brief and sweet. Be careful on how you phrase it. Saying, "That's quite a dress," or "I like the outfit," is not enough. Instead, say, "You look great in that dress." 4. Increase oxytocin levels. The love hormone, also known as oxytocin, helps people form a connection and grow closer to each other. There is no way to stop her from feeling attracted to you if there is enough oxytocin between you. Initiating touch is a great way to let oxytocin flow freely between you, but not in a sneaky way. You might give someone you like a hug, ruffle their hair, or place your hand on her small back whenever you notice them. You can stop if she is uncomfortable. 5. The positive personality hack. This is another great tip on how to impress a girl. Are you more drawn to someone with a depressing, frail personality than someone with a bright personality? It's not hard to see the answer. Unless you are a bit dark, women are attracted to smart, funny, and lively men. Don't be glum or depressed around her. Your company will make her feel happy.